Oh, dang your derby. Oh!
It is a scene that surprised even her.
Come on, Jeremy.
Karen Castiglione, grandmother of 6, playing baseball after years of being stuck on the sidelines.
At their games, I'd be in the chair. I'd miss their games because I couldn't walk from the parking lot to where their games were.
That was just a few weeks ago when Karen decided to go ahead and schedule the surgery she had been putting off, a total knee replacement at the Connecticut Orthopedic Institute at Mid-State Medical Center. The pain had become too much.
Oh, it hurt. It hurt a lot. I couldn't walk. I was upset. I was depressed because I couldn't go and do the things I wanted to do. And I couldn't, especially when I would see my husband go off to their games or go off and see it, you know, what was going on, their championships, and I couldn't do it. And I'd sit here and pout.
But Karen had a goal to be the grandmother she wanted to be, the grandmother she used to be before the pain got in the way.
On a scale of 1 to 10, probably an 11.
So she went ahead with surgery, even though she was scared. Once she met her team of caregivers and saw how they came together for her, she knew she'd made the right choice. And so did her grandkids.
The positivity and attitude definitely increased. She is so much more happy and active. She just was able to play baseball with us, and I've never seen her play baseball with us. That was the greatest thing I've ever done.
They're my life. They're my life.